For no reason at all. A flip? Hello everyone, welcome to All Things Venus. My name is Aishwarya. As you can see, this video is all about this deep, green, rich, emerald, smoky eye. I love pairing it with these soft, romantic curls. You can leave your hair open like the way I did in the party that I wore this to, New Year party. You can also put it up in a high pony like so. This gives very editorial vibes when you pull it up in a high pony. This eyeshadow is something that's inspired from this top that you see me wear, the fabric of this top more specifically. Actually, I sat with the designer and I got this whole dress sketched. L'Oreal Base Magique Primer. It's a very silicone heavy primer. Say hello to our new friend color wheel. We are gonna start at yellow and we are gonna go till green. We are gonna travel through peach and reds and pinks, the warm spectrum, and the purples and the blues, the cool spectrum, in order to reach green. So in the crease, I always prefer mattes because when you really want to chisel that depth of the eye, when you really want to give it some depth, that's when you have to go for mattes. Taking this warm, peachy, pinky kind of a color, and we're just buffing it. Now we are slightly moving towards the greens, taking this pinky color, and as you can see, I'm just buffing it in the crease. Now I'm gonna take this red. I'm mixing this browny red and this bricky red color, and this is the color that is getting formed. So we are going to buff in the crease, and we've applied the tape, so this helps a lot for us to like get a sharp outer V. And a flip. We've done with the warm side of the transition. Now we are going into the cooler side. We're going to use the purple and the blue. For ease of application, I'm just going to mix these two colors onto the brush and just going to apply it. You can use them separately, but I'm just a little lazy. So we are going to do this. This is what the crease should look like. I know it doesn't look like anything, but it's going to make all the difference. We are going to apply this kohl along the lash line and then buff it. We want the maximum intensity near the lash line, and as it moves towards the eyelid, we want to buff in that area. So just buff it, and now the moment we wanted to come is here. We're gonna go in with this green eyeshadow. I'm using this pencil because this is cream green. After this, I'm also gonna go in with powder green. Using my favorite brush for buffing creams. This brush, it's got like a flat top, so it blends only in the places that I want it to blend. You see this color? It's like this blacky greeny color. We've applied kohl here, black kohl here, and green pencil here. So when you put this black color, because it has black and green nuance, when you put it here, the black in it comes out, and when you put it here, the green in it comes out. And now I'm putting this. It's got this beautiful bluey, greeny, reddy reflect. This is the gorgeous pigment that you just saw me put. It doesn't look like anything when you swatch it, but it is so beautiful. This color, you put it on whichever base, it sort of takes on that. It has 3 pigments, so whatever is the base color, that is the pigment that pops. Just to have balance between upper lid and lower lid, applying this matte green shadow with this beautiful pencil brush in the lower lash line. And now inner corner highlight. This is a beautiful color. I'm just going to pop it in the inner corners like that. And they flip. So that's the final look, guys. If you think you got any value from this video, please turn that white thumb blue. And if you recreate this, tag me on Instagram, #allthingsvenus. I would love to see your version of it. This is the full attire, and I'm gonna leave you guys with some clips of my goofy dance. A flip.